National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winnebago County and north central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Lake Somerset, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail was reported in Lake Somerset. Locations impacted include mainly rural areas of extreme northwestern Winnebago County. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.
Here we go again.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive. The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County and south central Wisconsin, southern Rock County and south central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail. This storm was located near Durand, or 9 miles south of Brodhead, and moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Brodhead around 5:20 p.m., Orfordville around 5:35 p.m., Footville around 5:45 p.m., Janesville Airport around 5:55 p.m., downtown Janesville around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Newark, Hanover, and Eppton. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where